Hi, my name is Maria Stowell. I'm a firefighter with the Tacoma Fire Department's Fire Prevention Division. And in this video, we'll be talking about our building inspection program. First, we'll show you what to expect during your annual inspection, and then we'll go over some of our frequently asked questions about the program.
What to expect before the inspection.
Some of you may have already received a building inspection notice. We send these out about 30 days before we intend to inspect your building or business. On this sheet, you'll find some of the information that we want to update when we arrive. This includes current contact information, including email, mailing address, and also we'd like to verify your City of Tacoma business license and what the square footage of your building or business is. The back side of our building inspection notice has a list of commonly found fire code violations. Please take a look at this list and check to make sure that your building or business doesn't have any of these issues. If it does, please correct it before we arrive. Now let's talk a little bit about the kind of things we'll be looking for when we arrive for your inspection.
During the inspection.
The first items that we look for during a building or business inspection actually occur on the exterior of the building. We're going to check to make sure that the address is visible from the road. We're also going to check any fire department connections to verify they have caps and no debris in them. And we'll be checking if you have any fire hydrants that they have 3 feet of clearance all the way around them. After we've checked the exterior, we'll come into the building or business and meet with an owner or employee and tell them what it is we're looking for, and at that point we'll also update any contact information. Another important item that we'll be checking during our inspection is the doorways. We'll be checking to make sure that all doors are easily recognizable and operable. We'll also be checking to make sure that the corridors are free from storage and that any doors with key locking hardware have a sign that states they are to remain unlocked when the building is occupied. We'll be checking your fire extinguishers. We will be making sure that they're rated at a minimum at 2A 10BC. You can check this yourself by reading the label on the extinguisher. You need to have an extinguisher no more than 75 feet from any area of a building. They need to be mounted, visible, and accessible. And they also need to have been inspected and tagged within the past 12 months. There are several electrical components that we'll be checking during our inspection. We'll verify that your outlets, switches, and junction boxes are properly covered with cover plates, and we'll verify that you don't have any extension cords being used permanently. Any power strips being used should have a UL listing and a built-in circuit breaker. They should also be plugged into a permanent outlet, not another power strip. Another problem we commonly find is storage in front of the electrical panel. Remember, it must be kept clear at least 36 inches in front and 30 inches on the sides. We'll be checking your emergency lighting and exit signs. If they are provided in your building, they need to be in operable condition. We'll check that by utilizing the test button. The last main area we'll be checking is any fire protection equipment you may have. Be it an alarm system or a sprinkler system, we need to make sure that it has been serviced within the past 12 months and tagged appropriately. The exception to this is standpipes and fire escapes. They need to be serviced and tagged every 5 years. We'll be checking any commercial cooking applications and fire suppression systems to make sure that they've been certified and tagged as appropriate for that particular system.
What is the building inspection program?
Our building inspection program is a comprehensive annual fire inspection that applies to both building and business owners within the City of Tacoma.
What areas of my building or business will be inspected?
The answer is simple. All of them. We'll be looking at your public spaces, your business spaces, as well as any exterior spaces of the building.
How much is my building inspection fee, and how is it calculated?
Your building inspection fee is based off a schedule that considers occupancy type, occupancy use, and square footage. Our building inspection fee covers your initial inspection as well as a courtesy reinspection if violations are found. To view the complete fee schedule, please visit our website at cityoftacoma.org/BIP.
After my inspection, when will I receive my invoice and how long will I have to pay it?
You will receive your invoice within 30 days, and you will have 30 days from the date of the invoice to submit payment.
If I have a business and also lease part of my building, for what portion will I be charged?
The building owner will be charged for any spaces they occupy and any spaces that are not currently occupied.
What happens if violations are found during the inspection?
If violations are found that can't be corrected at the time of the inspection, a courtesy reinspection will typically occur within 15 to 30 days to verify that the violations have been corrected.
What happens if I do not correct my violations?
If your violations haven't been corrected by the time of your courtesy reinspection, you will be referred to the Fire Prevention Division for further follow-up. Referrals to the Fire Prevention Division will likely result in fines being issued. If you have any questions about your building inspection or for more frequently asked questions, please visit our website at cityoftacoma.org/BIP or call the Fire Prevention Division at 253-591-5740. And thank you for watching this presentation on the Building Inspection Program.